Hello to all. Today we are starting with a topic known as a plant kingdom, and in plant kingdom we are discussing about the algae. The algae word coming from a Latin word alga, and the meaning of the alga is seaweeds. The study of algae is called as phycology, where the phycology word coming from a Greek word phycos means seaweeds and logia means study. It means the study of seaweeds is known as phycology. Okay. Phycology, also known as algaeologist, is a branch of life science, and we can also say it was a sub-discipline branch of biology. The algae are most important plants as primary producers. These algae are most important plants as primary producers in aquatic ecosystem. These plants produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis in a process which converts carbon dioxide and sunlight into sugars. The organism can use it for energy. At least half of Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean. Estimate 50 to 80% of the oxygen. Second, algae are contain chlorophyll pigment in a simple thallus body which is mostly undifferentiated. It means there are lack of leaf and stem, and in this thallus body there are lack of vascular bundle also, like xylem and phloem tissues. Always remember that vascular tissues are found in primitive fossils and living plants, and the evolution of stellar system is started from Pteridophyta plants group. Most common habitat for algae is aquatic zone in fresh water, also in marine water. These algae are also found in some other habitat like moisture stones, soils, woods, and also in association with fungi as a lichen and in animals like sloth bear. Fifth point. If we talk about the way of reproduction in algae, the reproduction occur by three methods, that is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Now, the vegetative reproduction can occur by two major methods. One is the binary method, in which the cell divided by mitosis in two daughter cells, but the condition is that binary fusion or the fusion can occur only in unicellular algal formation body. And the most common method which generally occur in maximum algae and the method of vegetative reproduction is fragmentation, where the thallus broke down into many fragments and each fragment can rise into a fresh algae body cell. In example, filamentous alga. Now, the asexual reproduction. As we know, the asexual reproduction occur in the algae by the help of spores. Now, spores may be of two types. One are known as motile spore, another are known as non-motile spores. First of all, zoospores, which are called as motile spores, are actually formed in the fabrical condition, and they are motile because they have flagella. Okay. The another type of spores are called as the non-motile spores. There are many types of non-motile spores found in the alga which are formed in the unfavorable conditions, and they were thick wall around them. Zoospores are not having wall around them, but because of non-motile spores are actually formed in unfavorable condition, that's why they contain a thick wall around there, like aplanospore, heterospore, echinates, etc. Now, sexual reproduction. In them, the sexual reproduction is also present, and sexual reproduction occur by the fusion of the gametes. Okay, but the most of the sexual reproduction are basically three types. Some algae are isogamous, some having anisogamous, and some algae having oogamous. In isogamous reproduction, the two fusing gametes are in the same size. They may be flagellated or non-flagellated. Example, Cladophora or Chlamydomonas diberinium. Now, anisogamous reproduction. Here the fusing gametes are non-similar in size. They are dissimilar in size, like example Chlamydomonas brownie. Next, oogamous reproduction. In this condition, the female gametes is non-motile and large in size, and the male gametes is smaller in size but it is motile. Found in volvox, fucus, etc. Okay. Next point. The sex organs are generally one-celled. Also, we can call it unicellular and without any sterile jacket. But here is an exception, and the exception is Kara. Kara sex organs are multicellular and jacketed. Now, male sex organs is called the antheridium and the female sex organs is called oogonium. Next, no embryo formation after the gametic fusion, and in this plant group of Alga, there are distinct alternation of generation can be found as sporophytic and gametophytic life cycle. Life cycle of Alga is haplontic because haploid phase is dominant. So this type of life cycle is called haplontic life cycle. Okay. Now, father of phycology. F. V. Frisch, 1935, divided algae into 11 classes in his book Structure and Reproduction of the Alga on the basis of pigmentation, reserve food, and flagellation, thallus structure, mode of reproduction, and life cycle. He is also known as father of phycology or father of Alga. Okay, now have a look on these 11 classes. And in this slide you can check all the characters of these 11 classes based on pigments, flagella and reserve food. Okay, next slide. M.O.P. Iyengar, 15 December 1886 to 10th December 1963. The father of Indian phycology, also known as father of algology in India. He was the first president of Phycological Society of India. He primarily studied Spirogyra. Next, Lamorex and William Henry. He is also called the father of modern phycology in part of his division of the alga into 4 major divisions based upon their pigmentation. So dear students, this video was based on the general features of the algae. In this video, we are discussing the general features only. Hope you like this and keep watching my video.